Western Visayas is among the country's major crop producers. Western Visayas recorded the biggest annual growth in value of agricultural production at 4.7% in 2020. The Department of Agriculture identified Region 6 as the third top producer of the priority commodity crop mango. For sweet potato, Western Visayas ranked as second most significant producers, while fifth for banana with 3.6% of the total production. Sustainability and stability of the food supply chain remain to be a challenge due to factors such as overproduction, damage during fresh storage, processing limitation, and product logistics. The COVID-19 pandemic and corresponding territorial lockdowns have largely affected distribution lines of agricultural crops brought about by limitations in transactions as well as distribution channels. It is deemed necessary to address this problem and introduce solutions to maximize use to secure the supply of shelf-stable food that could reach more consumers. The Western Visayas Food Innovation Center at Guimaras State College currently houses Fruits and Vegetable Products Laboratory and DOST-developed food processing equipment. From its official launching in 2016, the WVFIC has to date generated several food products prototypes, conducted optimization studies, and produced technologies ready for commercialization. This project presents an opportunity for strategically establish a tool processing facility adjacent to key agricultural production areas. As part of the initiative endorsed by DOST for a smart food value chain covering from farm to consumer supply chain management. The Western Visayas Food Innovation Center is a research and development institution established to address technological issues, problems of the food industry. For years, the WVFIC has developed a number of innovative products intended to be adopted and commercialized by MSMEs. The commercialization of the developed products at the WVFIC remains to be a challenge for a couple of reasons. The DOST HITS equipment is relatively expensive for MSMEs, making it almost impossible for them to acquire. The MSMEs who are interested in the technologies offered at the WVFIC naturally would turn to them for assistance in R&D and production. While R&D activities are well covered by the services offered at the WVFIC and DOST6, production is another thing. The limited capacity of the existing DOST HITS equipment is an obstacle for MSME who wants to adopt and commercialize the products this equipment has designed for pilot scale and not large-scale production. This project aimed to upgrade the capacity of the WVFIC from product prototyping to tool processing to cater the needs of the MSME sector. Specifically, the capacity of the existing vacuum fryer will be upgraded and auxiliary equipment needed for the tool processing operation will be acquired. Vacuum-fried products developed at the R&D Center will be subjected to tool manufacturing by the industry partner through the tool processing services of WVFIC. Through this project, challenges in the rollout and commercialization of developed technologies in the center would be addressed. Build up and reinforce community ties, particularly those of the local agricultural and food processing sectors, as well as women involved in these industries who were severely affected by the pandemic situation and community quarantine. The tool processing services will be provided by the Western Visayas Food Innovation Center will prove useful for MSMEs in the region who wish to use the vacuum frying equipment but do not have the means of acquiring the said food processing machines. This also presents an opportunity for enterprise for MSMEs in the region as well, cut post-harvest losses of the agricultural sector.